Welcome back to 2020. Matthew Young's my name for the Buxton Real Estate Group, and it is a stunning Rothy Loman residence that will be auctioned on the 15th of February. My colleague Dave Sieber and I, we can't wait to show you through.
I've just come from the private, north-facing rear access and outdoor entertaining area into a sunken living domain, highlighted by the open-plan kitchen featuring stainless steel appliances, stone bench tops and included white goods. Follow me and let's have a look at this stunning residence.
The residence's natural light, its features, its design, all across 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. It's a truly remarkable opportunity. First up in 2020, auctioned on the 15th of February. Matthew Young and David Sieber, we look forward to seeing you at one of our upcoming open homes and answering any of your questions. Thank you.